Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report traffic in Waze in 2026. So imagine this, you're driving your car to a road and then you notice that there's a lot of traffic in a special area. Now, if you want to help other Waze users or other drivers notice this traffic and avoid it, you can report it in the Waze application and they will see the alerts. Now, but before we start and head to the instructions on how to report a traffic, Waze is available in the Play Store and also in the App Store. So if you want to download it on your mobile device, you can download it from there and log in and make sure to use this app. It's very helpful. Let's go back to our topic. While you're safely driving, you're going to look for the report button on the Waze map. As you can see, it's the yellow triangle here. You're going to make sure to click on it. Now, once you click on this option right here, you're going to find a lot of options. It says, what do you see? Now you can either report traffic, police, crash, hazard, closure, blocked lanes, etc. There are a lot of options from these options. Now we want to report traffic. You're going to click on traffic here, and then you're going to report. So you're going to tap the report option and select the traffic and choose the appropriate traffic level if Waze provides different options. And after that, you're going to confirm the reports and return your attention to the road. Your reports can help other Waze users understand that traffic is slowing down in that area. And you can also alternatively turn on the reports so you can get by yourself. You can get other people's reports here. You can click on reports. And here you can choose the reports that display on your screen and turn them on. And remember, never type and interact with the app while you're driving. If you're doing so, distracts you. Have a passenger make the report or pull over safely first. And that's how you report traffic in Waze. And if this guide helped you, feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.